LTX 2.5 and Veo 3 are two powerful AI video generators, but they are built with different priorities. So which one actually gives you better results? Intro. LTX focuses on speed, control, and a more complete creative workflow, while Veo is known for highly realistic video generation, strong physics, and native audio. Let's quickly compare them. Video quality. Starting with quality, Veo 3 has the edge. It produces highly realistic scenes, natural movement, detailed environments, and strong prompt adherence. It's particularly impressive for cinematic shots and realistic human interactions. LTX 2.5 is also capable of high quality generation, but Veo generally delivers more consistent realism and cinematic results. Audio. This is another major strength of Veo. Veo 3 can generate dialogue, sound effects, ambient sounds, and other audio directly with the video. That means you can create a scene with visuals and synchronized audio in one generation. LTX also supports synchronized audio and video, making it a strong option for creators who want an integrated workflow. Control and workflow. This is where LTX becomes more interesting. LTX offers tools designed around the entire creative process, including storyboards, camera controls, video to video workflows, keyframes, and editing features. So if you are creating a longer project and need more control over individual shots, LTX can be the more practical choice. Speed and flexibility. LTX is designed to be efficient and offers different performance options, while also supporting advanced workflows and integrations. Veo, on the other hand, is more focused on delivering high-end video generation quality. So for quick experimentation and production workflows, LTX can be more flexible. For maximum visual quality, Veo is the stronger choice. Verdict. So which one should you choose? Choose Veo 3 if your priority is realism, cinematic quality, natural motion, and native audio. Choose LTX 2.5 if you want more creative control, editing features, and a complete AI video workflow. Overall, Veo 3 is the better choice for raw video quality, while LTX 2.5 is better for creators who want control and flexibility. So which one would you choose? LTX 2.5 or Veo 3? Let me know down below in the comments, and subscribe for more AI tool comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.